ॐ शुक्लाम्भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधि कफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्ठात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനോ മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പീരേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Everyone, welcome to the class. Yeah. I know Ramesh, he's driving to the temple. So Supriya, Niga, can you do 13? Okay. And then, sorry. Sabita, can you do 13? Okay, you can do 13. And then with Sri Vidya and Vijay, Sri Vidya, Sri Ram, and Vijay can be students for today's class. Okay. Okay. Priya, Niga first parla.
श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। हिरण्याक्षं तावद्वरद भवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्गापरिमिते भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरुचे नन्दन्दनुजमपि निन्दं स्तव बलम् स मायावी विष्णुर्हरति भवदीयां वसुमतीं प्रभो कष्टं कष्टं किमिदमिति तेनाभिगदितः नदन् क्वासौ क्वासाविति समुनिना दर्शितपतो भवन्तं सम्प्रापत् धरणिधरमुद्यन्तमुदकात्
Priya, just on the, just a small correction on that. Prabho Kashtam Kashtam Kapran, there's a pause. Kwasa Vidhi Kapran, there is a pause. And Bhavantam Samprapad Kapran, there's a pause. And the comma put on all that. You can continue. No, you can just go ahead. Just make sure. Yeah.
अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुःखैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोधावध्याय प्रसभमुदययुङ्क्तामृतविदौ
And the word is Payodhavadaya. Wait. Yeah, go ahead.
पयोदावाधाय प्रसवमुदययुङ्क्तामृतविदौ
Prasabhamudayunkta.
முத சொல்லணுமா உத சொல்லக்கூடாதா?
Prasabhamnu chona, you can say Uda Yunkta.
Okay. Prasabhamudayayunktamritavidau.
That's a mistake. You're saying Udaya Yunkta, you're saying. You're putting a double ya there.
Oh.
So Prasabham Uda Yunkta.
Uda. Okay. Uda.
I think you're saying Prasabham Udaya Yunkta. You're putting an extra ya. Adan correction.
Okay. गदा पाणौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतो न तगतो नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघटरवोद्गुष्टवियता प्राणालोकौत्सुक्यन् मिलति सुरसङ्गे धृतममुं निरुन्द्याः सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति दात्रा जगदिशे गदोन्मध्ये तस्मिन् तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवो गदागाथाद् भूमौ जटिति पतितायामहह भोः मृदुस्मिरास्यस्त्वं धनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचनं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि ददानोरुचिषे ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमऋषिदैत्ये विसृजति त्वयिच्छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु वितुदंस्त्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलवनिपातेन विदुते ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्दमनसं गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तम् असुरं कराग्रेण स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः महाकायस्सोऽयं तव करसरोजप्रमथितो गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रात् अपददृशिभिः श्लाघितः हतिः sorry गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रात् अपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा त्वाम् उद्धाम प्रथमबरविद्योति हृदय मिस् பண்ணிட்டேன் tune
இல்ல that's okay. It is pramadhabara, not pradhamabara.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து
तदा
சொல்லுங்க
त्वाम् okay, so starting tune.
महाकायस्सोऽयं तव करसरोजप्रमथितो गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रात् अपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा त्वाम् उद्धाम प्रमदबर विद्योतिहृदया मुनीन्द्रासान्द्राभिः स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम् त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतं चतुर्होतारोऽङ्ग्रौ सुरगपि वदने चोद
Suragapi alla. Srugapi vadane. Because it is sruk plus api. The sruk is the neyala vidradhukku the ladle that is there for yajnam, right? Sruk. So sruk plus api make it srugapi.
सृगपि वदने चोदरैडा गृहा जिह्वायां ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसाः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेश्येऽप्युपसदः मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुकरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Just one thing I forgot to tell. 9th third line, it's graha jihvayam te, not griha.
Graha. Okay. Srugapi graha. That's the mistake.
Correct. Okay.
Shall I start, Rajesh?
Yeah.
Om Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Hiranyaksham tavad varada bhavadanveshana param charantam samvarte payasi nijajanga parimite bhavad bhakto gatva kapatapatudhir narada munihi shanairuche nandan danuchamapi nindam stava balam समायावी विष्णुर्हरति भवदीयां वसुमतीं प्रभो कष्टं कष्टं किमिदमिति तेनाभिकथितः नदन् क्वासौ क्वासाविति स मुनिना दर्शितपथो भवन्तं सम्प्रापत् धरणिधरमुद्यन्तमुदगात् अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंश्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोधावाधाय प्रसभमुदयुं मृतविदौ गदा पाणौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगतो नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् कटकटरवोद्गुष्टवियता रणालोकौ सुक्त्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्गे द्रुतममुं निरुन्ध्याः सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिन् तव खलु गदायां दिति भुवो गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायाम् अहबोः मृदस्मेरास्यस्त्वं तनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचनं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिषे ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमरुषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयि छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्र प्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु विदुत्तं त्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायाः त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलवनिपातेन विधुते ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसं गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिः अभिघ्नन्तमसुरं कराग्रेण स्वेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधीः महाकायः सोऽयं तव करसरोजप्रमथितो गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रात् अपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा त्वामुद्दाम प्रमदभरविद्योतिहृदया मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिः स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नद्वरतनुं त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि कृतं चतुर्होतारोग्रौ तृगपि वदने चोदरयिडा ग्रहा जिह्वायां ते पवपुरुषकर्णे च चमसाः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः.
With the third line and the graha jihvayam te para purusha. I think you said tava purusha.
Okay. ग्रहा जिह्वायां ते पवपुरुषकर्णे च
para P-A-R-A.
ओके परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसाः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्यां च विलसन् स्वदिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुकरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते. ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः.
Just in the second line in the Vimalatara Kirtiya Immiliye. Second line left. Last stanza.
Vimalatara Kirtiya cha vilasan, right?
Okay, correct. I heard an im there, that's why. But
okay,
as much you have it correct, yeah. Okay, good job. So let's so 16 yeah, 16. So Sri Vidya and Vijay. Okay, so we'll start the first answer. Daksho virinchatanayotha manostanujam labdva prasutimiha shodashachapakanyah dharme trayodasha dadau pitrushuswadham cha swaham havirbhuji satim girishe twadhamshe. So while we know about the 10 Dasavataras, which are the famous ones, right? So in the Bhagavan Naraya Avataram irundhirukku, where which are like, small avataras, size wise, and in terms of the duration or the purpose, right? So a lot of variabilities in there. So Naraya idu doesn't get called out, but this is one such avataram which is actually a very important one, but somehow it did not make it into the top 10 list, right? That's why a lot of people don't know about it. So even the Nara Narayana avataram, right? And why that happened and what happened in that avataram. So that's what this is about. So here it says in the Brahma when the original creation was happening, he had a lot of children, the Manasika Putran Cholite, where just by him thinking about it, those people were born, those gods were born, right? So Andamari, first Manu was one such person. Each of the Manus, when they are actually born, for each of the Manvantara, they are all born from Brahma's mind. Brahma thinks about them and then the Manu is born. So adukapram he had 10 other such Manasa Putras. So one of them was the Daksha, who we know, and then next is Yama or Dharma in this case, and Kamadeva. They were all Manasaka Putras of Brahma, all who came out of the mind. So in the Samitla, the Daksha Prajapati, who is the son of Brahma, one of the son of Brahma, he married Prasuti, who is the daughter of Manu. So Pata Chittapa, Peripa, Andamari, like if you literally look at the relation, it's like her father's brother, right? But that's why I was kind of clarifying it. It's all Manasa Putra, so they're not literally born from, Brahma and, another wife or something, right? So anyway, so that the Prasuti, who's the daughter of Manu, she got married to Daksha Prajapati. And then they got 16 daughters they had. So adula vandu 13 of those daughters they gave it to Dharmadeva or Yama, which is the other brother, other Manasaputra of Brahma. So I won't use the word brother here. So 13 of them went to Dharmadeva. And then in the Swada அப்படிங்கிற ஒருத்தி வந்து she went to the Pitrus. So the Pitrusக்கெல்லாம் head, whoever is the head Pitru, she got Swada. And then the last one, is, and the second last one is in the Agni. Every time we do homam, right? So we say Swaha அப்படிங்கிறோம் நம்ம. So the Swaha is the name of the other daughter who got married to Agni. So that's why every time when you're doing sacrifice to Agni, you use the word Swaha, because you are actually you're just offering it not only to Agni but also to his wife Swaha. So that's the meaning of the word Swaha. So the Swaha went to Agni, and then Sati was the other daughter who then got married to Shiva. And here Bhattacharya says he got married to Shiva, who is Tvad Amshe, who is a manifestation of yourself, right, as Shiva. So that's the first one. So how they all, who all went where. So Daksho Virincha Tanayotha Manos Tanujam, Labdva Prasutim Iha Shodasha, which is 16, Shodasha Chapa Kanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau, and then put a comma, because that's for the first Dharma Devark. So I'm going to pause there. Dharme Trayodasha Dadau, Pitrushu Swadham Cha, Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe. So Daksho Virincha Tanayota Manostanujam Labdva Prasutimiha Shodasha Chapa Kanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau Pitrushu Swadham Cham Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe. Shivi the children,
Daksho Virincha Tanayota Manostanujam Labdva Prasutimiha Shodasha Chapa Kanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau Pitrushu Swadham Cha Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe Daksho Virincha Tanayotha Manostanujam Labdva Prasutimiha Shodasha Chapa Kanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau Pitrushu Swadham Cha Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe.
ராஜேஷ் ஒரு லாஸ்ட் லைன்ல எங்க கமா இருக்கா இல்ல ஒரே
comma illa, because of the way that sentence is written, there's no comma there.
Okay, thank you.
Daksho Virincha Tanayotha Manostanujam Labdva Prasutimiha Shodasa Chapa Kanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau Pitrushu Swadam Cha Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe. Daksho Virincha Tanayotha Manostanujam Labdva Prasutimiha Shodasa Chapa Kanyaha Dharme Trayodasha Dadau Pitrushu Swadam Cha Swaham Havir Bhuji Satim Girishe Twadamshe.
So given the one word I forgot to explain, the habis, every time when we're doing this offering, we say habis போடுறோம் அப்படிங்கிறோம் இல்லையா. So Havir Bhuji is the one who is consuming that habis, so which is Agni. So in there, that's why that Swaham Havir Bhuji means that Swaha is the name of his wife who got married to Havir Bhuji. Havir Bhuji is the one who is consuming that habis that we're putting, which is Agni. So stanza 2. मूर्तिर्हि धर्मगृहिणी सुशुभे भवन्तं नारायणं नरसखं महितानुभावं यज्जन्मनिः प्रमुदिताः कृततूर्यघोषाः पुष्पोत्करान् प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौघाः. So so 13 of the daughters had got married to Dharmadeva or Yama. So one of the ladies, one of the wives of Dharmadeva was called Murti. So that Murti and Dharmadeva, they gave birth to two sons, twins. One was a very glorious one called Narayana, and the other one was Nara. And this Narayana were born as twins, and they were kind of inseparable, right? They were kind of they were always together with each of them. So when this happened, the next part of it, Bhattacharya is saying, when this happened, the gods and everybody, they were very extremely happy because they knew why this was happening and all the benefits this was going to lead, and they all offered flowers and praised that. So this is the birth of Nara and Narayana in this stanza. So Murtirhi. So in that one, the two irs you will see on top, right? So Murtirhi Dharma Grihini Sushuve Bhavantam, and then comma, Narayanam Narasakham Mahitanubhavam Yaj Janmani Pramuditaha is there, so put a H or Ich to join it. So Yaj Janmani Pramuditah Krita Thurya Ghoshaha, comma, Pushpotkaran Pravavrushur Nunuvuhu is there, so put a is to join. So Nunuvus Suraughaha. Okay, Pravavrushur Nunuvus Suraughaha. Murtirhi Dharma Grihini Sushubhe Bhavantam Narayanam Narasakham Mahitanubhavam Yajjanmane Pramuditah Kritathurya Ghoshaha Pushpotkaran Pravavrushur Nunuvus Surhaughaha. So Sangeeta, you are not on mute. Sorry.
Murtirhi dharma grihini sushave bhavantam narayanam narasakam mahitanubhavam yajjanmani pramutitah kritaturya ghoshaha pushpotkaran pravavrushur nunuvus suraughaha Murtir dharma grihini sushave bhavantam sushuve bhavantam Narayanam narasakam mahitanubhavam yajjanmani pramutitah krita turya ghoshaha pushpotkaran pravavrashur nunuvus suraughaha.
Murti dharma grihini sushuve bhavantam Narayanam narasakham mahitanubhavam yajjanmani pramudita kritaturya ghoshaha pushpotkaran pravavrushur nunuvus suraughaha. Murtirhe dharma grihini sushuve bhavantam Narayanam narasakham mahitanubhavam yajjanmani pramudita kritaturya ghoshaha pushpotkaran pravavrushur nunuvus suraughaha.
Stanza 3. Daityam sahasrakavacham kavachaih paritam sahasravatsara tapas samarabhilavyaihi paryaya nirmita tapas samarau bhavantau shishtaika kankatamamhum nyahatam salilam. So then there was an asura who was called Sahasra Kavacha. So Sahasra is 1000, Kavacha is shield, right? And this asura is also said to have had 1000 arms and everything, but essentially he has got 1000 shields. So each shield was essentially, think of it as one life. So you have to, if you get rid of it, then he dies once, right? So anybody, this should be easy, but anybody remember who this person was in his last life? பெரிய க்ளூ கொடுத்தேன், கவச்சம்னு.
Karna.
Yeah. Yeah, Karna. So anyway, so we'll see the story about the Sahasra Kavacha, right? So this Sahasra Kavacha, so through penance and all that with Brahma, he essentially obtained 1,000 shields. That's why his name is Sahasra Kavacha, because he had 1,000 shields. And on the Sahasra Kavacha, only if you have to destroy him, you should couple of things. One is you should have reached a level of power for which you have to meditate for 1,000 years, and then you can fight with him. And then if you have reached that level of power, then you can go and you'll win the battle with him. And if you win the battle with him, then one of his kavacham then goes away. Then he still has 999 left, right? And then you kind of goes on. Then you do another 1,000 years of penance, right? So that's why Nara and Narayana were born together. Because when Narayana was born, he had already gotten the tapas shakti when he was born. So when Narayana was born and he was ready, he then went in, and I forgot to tell, even the battle goes for thousands of years. So Narayana was born, and then Narayana goes and battles that Sahasra Kavacha for 1,000 years. And at the end of the 1,000 years, one of his kavacham is gone. So when Narayana is battling, Nara is sitting and doing the penance for 1,000 years. And then at the end of that, the Nara starts fighting, and then Narayana goes into penance, right? They taking an alternative, right? That way they are kind of double change. They are kind of defeating him. That's why, because Narayana started first as number one. Number two was killed by Nara. That's why the 1,000th of his kavacham was essentially Arjuna, right? Arjuna is born. Nara is born as Arjuna. So that's why Arjuna was born as the 1,000th and then he defeated Karna. Right? Sahasra Kavacha was born as Karna. So idukku naduvula there are a lot of other detailed stories of how they had defeated 999. 999 varaikum they went, right? The 999th was done. Then eventually even this Nara, they felt like the last one was going to be a tough one to get rid of the last Kavacha. So on the Samayatana, Krishna then or Vishnu or Narayana at this point, he went and spoke to Indra and Surya, and then they kind of hatched a plan, right? That then the Karnan will be born as a 1,000th one, and Arjuna will be born, and Krishna in the Dwapara Yugathila, when Krishna is there, they will have all this, and you all know the story. And the Karnan Kavachata vandu ketruva, finally that was the only way to get rid of him, right? So that way, that is the background on this. So here, coming back to this, so this here Bhattaripad is saying this there's Asura called Sahasra Kavacha who had 1,000 armors, and he's kind of telling that they have to take alternate turns to go kill him, and then you of course kill him very easily in all the attempts. He ends it. He doesn't quite take it to that last statement of the last one is born as Karna. Other Bhattaripad is not telling, but that is there in Mahabharata. There is a reference to this Sahasra Kavacha Asura and him being born as Karna. So Daityam Sahasra Kavacham, Kavachaihi is there, put a if there to join, Kavachaif Paritam, comma, Sahasra Vatsara Tapas Samarabhilavyehi. So that is that, you can say it as one word, Samarabhilavyehi. Paryaya Nirmita Tapas Samarau Bhavantau, comma, Shishtaika Kankatamamum Nyahatam Salilam. So no pause anywhere in between, just at the very ends. Daityam Sahasra Kavacham Kavachaif Paritam Sahasravatsara Tapas Samarabhilavyehi Paryaya Nirmita Tapas Samarau Bhavantau Shishtaika Kankatamamum Nyahatam Salilam.
Quick question, Rajesh. It is Labhyaihi or Lavyaihi?
Lavyehi.
Okay, in the ibda irukku ba illa and the dash. Okay, thank you.
Oh, sorry. Samarabhi Lavyehi.
Is it V or B?
எந்த இடத்துல சமராபியா இல்ல லவ்யேலியா?
Lavyeila.
Lavyai. So love LUVYAI. Lavyai.
Thank you.
दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतं साहस्रवत्सरतपः समराभिलव्यैः पर्यानिर्मिततपः समरो भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं न्यहतां सलीलं दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतं साहस्रवक्त्र तपस्समराभिलव्यैः पर्याय निर्मित तपस्समरो भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं न्यहतां सलीलम्
दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतं साहस्रवत्सर तपसः समराभिलव्यैः पर्याय निर्मित तपः समरो भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं न्यहतां सलीलम् दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतं साहस्रवत्सर तपः समराभिलव्यैः पर्याय निर्मित तपसः समरौ भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं न्यहतां सलीलम्.
Just in the third line, Vijay, you said an extra sa. You said tapasas. This tapas samarao. Yeah.
Sahasravatsara tapas samaraabhilavyaihi.
Yeah. Stanza 4. Anvacharannupadishannapi moksha dharmam tvam bhratruman bhadarikashramamadyavatsihi shakrotate shamatapo bhalanissahatma divyangana parivritam prajighayamaram. So then if Nara Narayana, as they were kind of beginning, before all this, so then Nara Narayana decided to go and settle down in Bhadarika Ashramam. So he says here, practicing and preaching. Anvacharan is to practice, Upadishan is to preach, right? And it was very typical. Nammala on the cholron, we may not practice it. So here it's practicing and preaching the moksha dharma. What is the path to liberation? So so you, along with your brother, that's Tom Bhratruman, which is referring to Nara here, you go to Badarikashramam. The Badarikashramam means Badrinath. So people say that, oh, in the Badarikashramatla, Nara Narayana are still meditating. We don't know, right? So that is there in Badarikashrama. So when this is happening, Indra, who is generally just normally doubtful about these things, he is like, Bhattipat says here is, Te Thapabala Nisahatma Anshama. So he is unable to bear kind of the power that Nara and Narayana had acquired from all their penance. And he is not sure how they are so powerful and all that. So he wants to test. And anytime somebody is performing a penance, the best test they do is they send Maram. Maram means referring to Kamadeva. So they send Kamadeva along with Divyangana Parivritam, with other celestial damsels and beauties. He sends them to go and test Nara Narayana to see how powerful their control is and how long they can keep meditating like this. So Anvacharan, so and the word on the Anvacharan Upadishannapi, those are the two words. But because we are having it together and the in and u become double na, so it becomes Anvacharan Nupadishannapi. Okay, so because it's written as one word together, that's why there's a double na there. Otherwise, if you want to literally separate it as gap, it will be Anvacharan Upadishannapi. But we'll say it together. So Anvacharan Nupadishannapi Moksha Dharmam, comma, Tvam Bhratruman Bhadarikashramam Adya Vatsihi Shakrota Te Shama Tapo Bhala Nissahatma, comma, Divyangana Parivritam Prajighaya Maram. Anvacharannupadishannapi moksha dharmam tvam bhratruman bhadarikashramamadyavatsihi shakrotate shamatapo bhalanissahatma divyangana parivritam prajighayamaram.
अन्वाचरन्नुपदिशन्नपि मोक्षधर्मम् त्वं भ्रातृमान् बदरिकाश्रममध्यवात्सीः शक्रोदते शमतपोबलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्यांगना परिवृतं प्रजिघायमारम् अन्वाचरन्नुपदिशन्नपि मोक्षधर्मम् त्वं भ्रातृमान् भदरिकाश्रममध्यवात्सीः शक्रोदते समतपोबलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्यांगना परिवृतं प्रजिघायमारम्
अन्वाचरन्नुपदशिषन्नपि मोक्षधर्मं अन्वाचरन्नुपदश उपदिशन्नपि मोक्ष
अन्वाचरन् नुप दिशन्नपि
दिशन्नपि ओके अन्वाचरन्नुपदिशन्नपि मोक्षधर्मं त्वं भ्रातृमानभदरिकाश्रममध्यवात्सीः शक्रोत ते शमतपबलो निस्सहात्मा
तपोबल
शक्रोत ते शमतपोबलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्यांगना परिवृतं प्रजिगायमारम् अन्वाचरन्नुपदिशन्नपि मोक्षधर्मं त्वं भ्रातृमानभदरिकाश्रममध्यवात्सीः शक्रोथ ते शमतपोबलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्यांगना परिवृतं प्रजिगायमारम्
Stanza 5. काहो वसन्तमलयानिलबन्धुशाली कान्ता कटाक्षविशिखैर्विकसद्विलासैः विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीतस्त्वयात जगदे मृदुहासभाजा. So if Cupid is or Kamadeva is coming, and then if it is like Chicago Mary 20 degrees outside, or it is like 110 degrees outside, then that effect won't happen, right? So what Kamadeva is, what he's doing is he's also bringing along with him a better weather. So spring. So another Vasanta. Vasanta is referring to spring. So you have to create that environment outside. So spring is coming, and Malaya Nila. Malaya is a cool breeze, a cool fragrant breeze, which is actually coming. So another Cupid, they're kind of creating that scene there so that they can actually distract Nara and Narayana, and then along with his Bandhushali, so they all come as Kamadeva's friend. And then here Bhattadripat says Kanta Khataksha Vishikaihi. Kanta, so the celestial damsels who are there, Tamil Kannala Ambu Vidra Abdimbalya to kind of do that. So that's literally what he's saying. He's saying they're piercing arrows from their side glances அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. So அது எப்படின்னாக்கா somebody was telling this the other day in some பாராயணம், இந்த சாமுத்ரிகா லட்சணத்துல என்னன்னாக்கா between the eyebrow, the two eyebrows we have, right? So சில லேடிஸ்க்கு the eyebrows are joined in the middle also, and that is because then when it's joined like that it looks like a bow, and the ரெண்டு eyebrows. So அதனால தான் அந்த கண்ணில இருந்து அம்பு விடுறது அப்படின்னு that term kind of comes, right? So anyway, so the damsels, they are all there. They created this environment there, and then they are like trying to distract Narayana with Vikasat Vilasaihi, with various movements and dances and everything. However, they are now suddenly beginning to get frightened because Nara and Narayana are completely unperturbed. They are undisturbed with anything that was actually happening. And then finally Narayana says in a smiling Mriduhasa Bhaja, in a very smiling manner, he says, okay, let me tell you, what அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So இந்த இடத்துல one interesting word, right, is where did that go? I'll tell later when it comes. Anyway, so they're undisturbed, and then Narayana says, okay, let me explain to you அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு it goes to the next answer. So Kamo Vasanta Malayanila Bandhushali, Kanta Kataksha Vishikhair Vikasat Vilasaihi Vidyan Muhur. So first one the Vidyan Muhur irukku, and then again another Muhur. Vidyan Muhur Akampam. So Muhur Akampam, or you can say it together as Muhu Rakampam. That's also fine. And the next word. So Vidyan Muhurakampam Udikshya Cha Twam, the next last line, like some places have Birus, some places have Bitas. So So if you have birus, just change it to bitas. That's what we changed into last time for consistency. So bitas tvayata jagade mridu hasa bhaja. कामो वसन्तमलयानिलबन्धुशाली कान्ता कटाक्षविशिखैर्विकसद्विलासैः विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीतस्त्वयात जगदे मृदुहासभाजा.
कामो वसन्तमलया नीलबन्धुशाली कान्ता कटाक्षविशिखैर्विकसद्विलासैः विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य मुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीतस्त्वयाथ जगदो मृदुहासभाजा.
जगदे भीतस्त्वयात जगदे
मृदुहासभाजा. कामो वसन्तमलयानिलबन्धुशाली कान्ता कटाक्षविकसद्विलासैः विद्यन्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीतस्त्वयात जगते मृदुहासभाजा.
कामो वसन्तमलयानिलबन्धुशाली कान्ता कटाक्षविशिखैर्विकसद्विलासैः विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीतस्त्वयाथ जगदे मृदुहासभाजा. कामो वसन्तमलयानिलबन्धुशाली कान्ता कटाक्षविशिखैर्विकसद्विलासैः विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुर् अकम्पमुदीक्ष्य त्वां भीतस्त्वयाथ जगदे मृदुहासभाजा.
Stanza 6. भीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्त सुराङ्गनाभो मन्मानसं त्विह जुषध्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामथैषां प्रादर्शयः स्वपरिचारककातराक्षीः. So like we're continuing from last time, in the last stanza. So they're all kind of completely wonderstruck because they're trying everything possible to distract Narayana, but nothing is happening. And so they start praising Narayana and saying, you know what, we don't know how that is happening. So Angaja. So Angaja is referring to the one who doesn't have Angam. Angam means body, right, or limbs. So Angaja is referring to Kamadeva because if you guys know the story, when Shiva was meditating, Kamadeva went in and he tried to disturb, and Shiva opened his third eye and then he burned Kamadeva down. So this Kamadeva is not supposed to have a form or a body. That's why it's referring to as Angaja, means one who doesn't have a form or a body. So all of them so Narayana tells them, any of them, do not worry, do not fear. And then what he says is manasam mat manasam. So let me show you, right, what I can create out of my mind. Appdin sollittu Narayana creates out of his mind. He creates several other beautiful women or beautiful damsels just to tell them, you all came to disturb me by bringing all these Apsara Stris. Let me tell you what I can create. Appdin sollittu over with his mind he created even more beautiful women. And then he says, look, I'm still not disturbed. I'm still not affected by any of this. Narayana is responding to them. So Bhitya Alam, but you have to say it together. So Bhityalam Angaja. Okay, Bhityalam, or you can say it together. You can say the whole thing as Bhityalam Angaja. That's also fine. So Bhityalam Angaja Vasanta Surangana Vo, comma Man manasam tviha jushadvam iti bruvanaha. Jushadvam iti bruvanaha. Tvam vismayena paritaha is there. So put a is. So tvam vismayena paritas stuvatam ataisham or stuvatam ataisham, comma Pradarshayah. So put a is there again. Pradarshayas swa paricharaka khatarakshihi. Bhityalamangaja suranganavo manmanasam tviha jushadvamite bruvanaha tvam vismahena paritastuvatamatayisham pradarshayasva paricharaka khatarakshihi.
भीत्यालमङ्गजवसन्त सुरराङ्गनावो
Suranganavo
भीत्यालमङ्गजवसन्त सुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसं द्विष द्विः
tviha
द्विह
tviha
oh
tviha.
first मन्मानसं द्विह द्विह
Tviha, correct. Tviha, Tviha, Tviha.
मन्मानसं त्विह जुषध्व मिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामतैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचराग गदराक्ष
இல்ல அது திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க. ஸ்வ பரிச்சாரக காதராக்ஷீஹி.
प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारक राक्षीः भीत्यालमङ्गजवसन्त सुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसं त्विह जुषध्व मिदि ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामतैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारक कातराक्षीः.
भीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्त सुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसं त्विह जुषत्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामतैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारक कातराक्षीः भीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्त सुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसं त्विह जुषत्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामतैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारक कातराक्षीः.
Stanza 7. Sammohanaaya milita madanadayasте tvaddasika parimalakhila mohamapuhu dattam tvaya cha jagruhustrapayaiva sarvasvarvasi garvashamanim punarurvashimtam. So all the Kamadeva and all everybody who had assembled there, Sammohanaya, who had actually come there to divert Narayana with moham, right? So they now in turn were kila mohamapuhu. They now were actually enchanted with Tvaddasika, with all the maids that Narayana actually generated. They are now getting attracted to them. And then one of the damsels in there is Urvashi, right? And who we now know as Urvashi, who is with Indra. So the way Urvashi comes, Uru is referring to the thighs. So in the Narayana, from his thighs, the person who came, Uru, one who comes from the thigh, is called Urvashi. So and the Urvashi was one of the damsels who had actually come there. And then Narayana then tells Kamadev and everybody, here, take all of them and you can just go to, and they can all be with Indra itself. He just sends them back with them. And that's how, and by looking at Urvashi, who is supposed to be the most beautiful of all the damsels, everybody else is now becoming there. It humbles their pride. So Sarva Swarvasi Garva Shamani. So all of their pride was brought down by looking at Urvashi and saying, oh, she's even more beautiful than us. Their pride then came down. So Sammohanaya Milita Madanadayaste, comma, Twadhasika, so double the there, Twadhasika, Parimalaihi is there, put a ich to join, Parimalaih, Kila Mohamapuhu, Dattam Tvaya Cha Jagruhus Trapayeva Sarva, and then put a plus there, Swarvasi Garva Shamanim Punar Urvashim Tham. So that Punar Urvashim Tham, you can break it Punar Urvashim Tham. Sammohanaya Milita Madanhadayaste Twaddasika Parimalaih Kila Mohamapuhu Dattam Tvaya Cha Jagruhus Trapayeva Sarvasvarvasi Garva Shamanim Punar Urvashim Tham.
सम्मोहनाय मिलिता मदनादयस्ते त्वद्दासिका परिमलैः किल मोहमापुः दत्तां त्वया च जगृहुस्त्रपयैव सर्वासि गर्वशमनीं पुनरुर्वशीं ताम् सम्मोहनाय मिलिता मदनादयस्ते त्वद्दासिका परिमलैः किल मोहमापुः दत्तां त्वया च जगृहुस्त्रपयैव सर्वासि गर्वशमनीं पुनरुर्वशीं ताम्
सम्मोहनाय मिलिता मदनादयस्ते त्वद्दासिका परिमलैः किल मोहमापुः दत्तां त्वया च जगृहुस्त्रपयैव सर्वासि गर्भशमनीं पुनरुर्वशीं ताम्.
So only a small, sorry Vijay, only a small correction. Third line end la vandu, remember it is just sarva and there is no is there, right? So it is like Jagruhus Trapayeva Sarva Swarvasi Garva, and the next is only comes in the next line with Swarvasi.
Okay.
Okay.
Sarva, after or mari stop break.
Or a very brief pause, right? Yeah.
Okay. Sammohanaya milita madanadayaste twaddasika parimalai kila mohamapuhu dattam tvaya cha jagruhus trapayaiva sarva swarvasi garva shamanim punarurvashim tam.
Sanjay 8. Drishtvorvashim tava katham cha nishamya shakraham Paryakulo jani bhavan mahima marshat evam prashantaramaniyataravatarate tvattodiko varada krishna tanustameva tvameva. So Drishtvorvashim. So now all of them go back to Indra's kingdom. So Drishtvorvashim, on seeing Urvashi and then Thava Katham cha Nishamya, and hearing all the stories that everybody is telling of how they went there and Narayana did not get distracted, and seeing all this, Indra now gets really like perplexed, right? And he's like, okay, then he finally realizes, no, Bhavat Mahima, he realizes your glory, as that you are not an ordinary person, you are indeed one of the avatarams of Vishnu Churite. He realizes that. So, O Varada, the best one who gives me boons, in this way, Prashanta Ramaniya Avatarat. So this avataram of yours. So that's what I said earlier, is this is one of the avatarams. It's just not recognized or called out. So this avataram of yours is so beautiful and so gentle, and it's of yours such that it's the only avataram of yours which surpasses this, Bhattadripad says, is Krishna Thanu Tvameva. Your birth or incarnation of Krishna is the only avataram which is even more gentler and beautiful than this avataram of yours. Bhattadripad wraps up this Naranarayana avataram here. So Drishtvor Vashim. So Drishtva Urvashim. So Drishtvor Vashim Tava Katham Cha Nishamya Shakraha. Shakraha is Indra, comma. Parya Kulojani Bhavan Mahimava Marshat. You can't break it there. It's Mahima Avama Marshat. So Mahimava Marshat. Evam Prashanta Ramaniya Tharavatarat. So remember the word avataram, right? Because that is what is in there, but it is mixed with the other words. So Prashanta Ramaniya Tharavatarat. Put the it at the very end of that sentence and a comma. Then if you look at the next line, the Twatto, adukita, it will have an extra it. If you have an extra it there, remove it. So it becomes Twatto Diko Varada Krishna Tanus Twameva. दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन्महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोदिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्त्वमेव.
दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीय तरावतारात् त्वत्तोधिको वरद कृष्णधनुस्त्वमेव. दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन्महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोधिको वरद कृष्णधनुस्त्वमेव.
दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन्महिमावमर्शात् भवन्महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोधिको वरद कृष्णस्तनुस्त्वमेव. दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां.
Just say that word again. Drishtvorvashim.
दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन्महिमावमर्शात्. Like that word somehow is very
So the thing is, you have to remember the word mahima, right? Mahima is mahimai, right? Mahima avamarshat, right? So those are the two words, right? So adnala, but it's like combine bhavan mahimavamarshat.
Bhavan mahimavamarshat.
Mahimavamarshat.
Mahimavamarshat. Okay.
Correct. You can't break it as mahimavam arshat. You can't break it that way because that marshat, avamarshat is one word.
Okay. Mahimavamarshat. Okay.
Mahimavamarshat.
Mahimavamarshat.
Correct.
Evam prashantaramaniya-taravatarat tvakto-diko varada krishna-tanustvameva.
Next stanza 9. Dakshastu dhaturati lalanaya rajondho natyadritastvai cha kashtamashantiraasit yena vyarundasa bhavattanumeva sharvam yajne cha vairapishune swasutam vyamhanit. So now that Naranarayana thing is done, and then in like 1.5 stanzas, Bhattacharya is trying to explain the whole Daksha incident, right? So in Gyantas he says Ati Lalanaya. So Daksha, who's also one of the Manasa Putras of Brahma. So he says due to excessive love and indulgence that is actually shown by Brahma, what has happened is Daksha Raja Andaha, Rajas. The Raja Gunatla he has become blinded, right? So Andaha. So Raja Gunam is like kind of the superiority, arrogance, right, that is there. So Bhattacharya says he's become blinded with all the arrogance and the superiority that he's actually feeling. And because of that, and here he also says is, na ati adritaha tvai. So he says he's not worshipping you, O Krishna or Narayana. And because he doesn't do all that, he's got this excessive arrogance. And because of that, he was very unpeaceful. And due to all these reasons, what he's done here is, he has become Vyarunda. He has become kind of like antagonistic towards Shiva, right? One who is Bhavat Tanumeva. He is your form only. So it's only you who is in the form of Shiva. And towards that Lord Shiva, Sharvam, he's become, Daksha is not treating him properly. And then just one line, he literally says, Yajnecha Vaira Pishune. And then during the yajna that he was actually conducting, he did not invite Shiva. And then Swa Sutam Vyamanit, and he insulted his own daughter, which is Sati. So in the whole incident, right, where Daksha does not invite Shiva, and then Sati goes in, and then Daksha, tells Sati that why he's not inviting Shiva. So that whole thing, he's just telling that, because Daksha was shown, he's not praying to you, he's got very arrogant, and because of that, he insults Shiva, who's you yourself. So Dakshastu Dhaturati Lalanaya Rajondho, Natyadritas Twayi cha Kashtam Ashanti Rasit. So Kashtam is, unfortunately, Ashanti is not peaceful. So Kashtam Ashanti Rasit. Shantir Asit, or you can say it together as Shanti Rasit. Either is fine. Yena Vyarundasa Bhavat Tanumeva Sharvam, and a double third, the full third and a half the. So Bhavat Tanumeva Sharvam, Yajnecha Vaira Pishune Swasutam Vyamanit. Dakshastu Dhaturati Lalanaya Rajondhom Natya Dritas Tvaicha Kashtamashanti Yena Vyarundasa Bhavat Tanumeva Sharvam Yajnecha Vaira Pishune Swasutam Vyamanit.
Dakshastu dhaturati lalanaya rajondo natyadritas tvayi cha kashtamashantirāsīt yena vyarunda sabhavat tanumeva sharvam yajne cha vairabhisune swasutam vyamanīt. Dakshastu dhaturati lalanaya rajondo nadyadritas kashtamashantirāsīt yena vyarunda sabhavat tanumeva sharvam yajne cha vairabhishune swasutam vyamanīt.
Dakshastu dhaturati lalanaya rajondho natyadritastvai cha kashtamashantirāsīt yena vyarundasa bhavattanumeva sharvam yajne cha vairapishune swasutam vyamanīt. Dakshastu dhaturati lalanaya rajondho natyadritastvai cha kashtamashantirāsīt yena vyarundasa bhavattanumeva sharvam yajne cha vairapishune swasutam vyamanīt.
Last answer. Kruddeshamarditamakas satukritta shirsho deva prasaditah radhatalabdha jivaha tvatpurita kratuvarah punarapashantim satvam prashantikara pahi marutpuresha. So now Kruddha, so because Daksha insulted Shiva and Parvati in the previous stanza, so Kruddha is getting angry, is Isha. Shiva is getting angry, and what he does is he goes and disrupts the yajna. And then Shiva then creates from his matted locks, from his hair, he creates this Veerabhadra, right, who then goes and he beheads Daksha. And then eventually, what Deva Prasadita Hara. So all the gods then go to Shiva and then tell him, please restore Daksha back to life. He's realized his mistakes, realized his problems. And that's when Shiva then Labdha Jivaha. He restores life back to him. And that's where he puts a goat's head, right, on top of Daksha. So that is explained in this first line. And then Bhattacharya says, Tvat Purita Kratvara. Then says, by your grace, this yajna got completed, and punarapashantim, and Daksha then attained peace because he became more calm, and then his arrogance went away, and then he completed the yajna with your grace. Oh Sattvam, oh that you, Prashantikara, the one who restores calmness on people, Pahi Marutpuresha, oh Lord of Guruvayur, please protect me. But the part ends this second. So Krudesha, Kru. So this one has a Kra and a U, Kru. So Krudesha, Mardita, Makaha is there. So put a is Makas, Sa tu Krita Shirsho, comma, Deva Prasadita Haradatha Labdha Jivaha. Tvat Purita Kratu Kra, this time Kratu Varaha is there, so put a if Kratu Varah Punarapa Shantim, comma, Sa Tvam. So again remember, when the Sa and Tvam come, don't say it as Satvam, leave a small gap. Sa Tvam Prashantikara Pahi Marutpuresha. In the stanza there are a couple of Krus and Kra, so just be careful as you're saying that. क्रुद्धेशमर्दितमकः सतुकृतशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहरादतलब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरः पुनरापशान्तिं स त्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश.
क्रुद्धेशमर्दितमकः सतुकृतशीर्षो देव प्रसादितहराततलब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरः पुनरापशान्तिं स त्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश. क्रुद्धेशमर्दितमकः सतुकृतशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहराततलब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरः पुनरापशान्तिं स त्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश.
क्रुद्धेशमर्दितमकसस्तुकृतशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहराधथ लब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरः पुनरापशान्तिं सत्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश. क्रुद्धेशमर्दितमकसतुकृतशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहराधतलब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरः पुनरापशान्तिं सत्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश.
Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. That completes this chapter. So next we are going to go to 21. So 21, I won't explain the meanings today, but the 21 is also a reason we picked 21 in this is talking about in the various regions how the Lord is worshipped, and then you kind of salutate or you pray to that God in that form. So each of the stanza is actually praying to one version of the God. So Uridala Narasimhara we are praying. In one we are praying to him as Ardhanarishwara. So in the stanza it is praying to different versions of the God. So it's a pretty important or a nice chapter. So before I explain to the meaning of this in the next class or the one after that, is I want to send you all a map so you can kind of have a printout. So as we are kind of going through the various regions, you can actually see where in the map it is, right? So you can maybe more relate to it. Inniki will maybe cover a couple of stanzas. So 21. Madhyodbhave bhuvailavritanamni varshe Gauri pradhana vanita janamatra bhaji Sharvena mantranutibis samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakamadishwara samshraye tvam. So Madhyodbhave bhuva ilavrita namni varshe, comma, Gauri Pradhana Vanitajana Matra Bhaji Sharvena Mantra Nutibihi is there, so you can put a is. Nutibis. Samupasyamanam. Samupasyamanam. Sankarshanatmaka. This word is difficult to break it. So you kind of have to say the whole thing as Sankarshanatmakam. Aduvarakim. Sankarshanatmakam adhishvara samshrayetvam. So here is referring to worshipping the Lord as Ardhanarishwara and Sankarshana. So you're praying, you're going to go into him. Madhyodbhave bhuvailavritanamni varshe gauri pradhana vanita janamatra bhaji sharvena mantranutibis samupasyamanam sankarshanatmakamadishvara samshrayetvam.
मध्योद्भवे भुव इलावृतनाम्नि वर्षे गौरी प्रधानवनिता जनमात्रभाजी शर्वेण मन्त्रनुधिभिः समुपास्यमानं सङ्कर्षणात्मकमदीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम् मध्योद्भवे भुव इलावृतनाम्नि वर्षे गौरी प्रधानवनिता जनमात्रभाजी शर्वेण मन्त्रनुदिभिः समुपास्यमानं शङ्कर्षणात्मकधीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम् संकर्षणात्मकमधीश्वर
मध्योद्भवे भुव इलावृतनाम्नि वर्षे गौरी प्रधानवनिता जनमात्रभाजी शर्वेण मन्त्रनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानं सङ्कर्षणात्मकम् अधीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम् मध्योद्भवे भुव इलावृतनाम्नि वर्षे गौरी प्रधानवनिता जनमात्रभाजी शर्वेण मन्त्रनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानं संकर्षणात्मकम् अधीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम्.
Second. So the second one we are worshipping as Hayagriva. Bhadrashvanamaka ilavrita purva varshe Bhadrashravho birishibeh parinuyamanam Kalpanta gudha nigamodharana pravinam Dhyayami deva hayashirshatanum bhavantam. So Bhadrashva namaka ilavrita purva varshe, comma Bhadra shravobhir rishibihi is there. So put a if to join. So Bhadra shravobhir rishibih parinuyamanam kalpanta gudha nigamodharana nigama uddharana. So nigamodharana pravinam, comma dhyayami deva hayashirsha tanum bhavantam. Bhadrashvanamaka ilavrita purva varshe Bhadrashravobhir rishibeh parinuyamanam Kalpanta gudha nigamodharana pravinam Dhyayami deva hayashirsha tanum bhavantam.
भद्राश्रवनामक इलावृत पूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढ निगमोद्धरण प्रवीणं ध्यायामि देव हयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तं Bhadrashrav namaka
Bhadrashva and the ish, it's not a full thing, right? So it will be like Bhadrashva
namaka ilavrita, correct?
Correct.
Bhadrashrav namaka
Again you said Shrava, you said no. Bhadrashva.
Okay. Bhadrashva namaka ilavrita purva varshe श्रवोभिर्ऋषुभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढ निगमोद्धरण प्रवीणं ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षत्तनुं भवन्तम्
भद्राश्वनामक इलावृतपूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणं ध्यायामि देवहयशीषत्तनुं भवन्तम् भद्राश्वनामक इलावृतपूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणं ध्यायामि देवहयशीषत्तनुं भवन्तम्.
So we'll do one more and then we'll stop. So the third one is you're praying to Narasimha. ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमाणम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्. So ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लाद मुख्य पुरुषैः is there, put a if there, पुरुषैः परिसेव्यमानं उत्तुंग शांत धवला कृतिम एक शुद्ध. So कृतिम एक शुद्ध or कृतिम एक शुद्ध is fine, and then put a plus there. ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्. So third and fourth line together. ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमाणम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्.
ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमानम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेघशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्.
नरहरिं
भगवन् भवन्तम्. ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमाणम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेघशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्.
ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमाणम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्. ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमाणम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्.
Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. So we'll end it here. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानां कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. So just stay on 1 second.